Do you suffer from constipation and want nothing more than to reverse it once and for all? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple DIY remedy to help with constipation that you can create in the comfort of your own home, requiring you only 2 ingredients. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mel, a registered holistic nutritionist and Reiki master dedicated to helping you navigate the world of natural nutrition and holistic wellness amidst a hectic lifestyle. Constipation is so tough on the digestive system and can last for years if not rectified. Of course, there are various reasons why one may suffer, like diet, lifestyle, hydration, and even hormones. But no matter the reason, it must be dealt with. Today, we're talking about the miraculous benefits of 2 simple ingredients, prunes and olive oil. This powerful duo can offer significant relief and promote regularity. Prunes are rich in dietary fiber and sorbitol, which help to soften stools and stimulates bowel movements, while the olive oil acts as a natural lubricant, easing the passage of waste throughout your digestive tract. Together, they're going to create a soothing solution to keep things moving smoothly. There are ample ways to reduce inflammation and get your health on the right track through nature, and I've compiled all of these ways within my Leading with Wellness guide, where you will find natural remedies for the world's most complex systemic ailments like inflammation, anxiety, gut health, along with therapeutic food suggestions, herbal recommendations, the quickest health hacks, and so much more. Grab your $7 copy within my description below. So let's get started. You're going to need 4 dried prunes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half a teaspoon of olive oil, and a 1/4 cup of hot water, which I have here all prepared. First, you're going to place your prunes in a bowl, which I have done here, and then you're going to add the olive oil. So let's do that right now. It's not a lot of olive oil, so be sure to add enough. Both prunes and olive oil have a laxative effect that will help to increase motility in your intestinal system. You're then going to add the hot water and you're going to let it soak for 15 minutes. So here we go. And there you have it. Okay, so you're just going to let it soak here for 15 minutes. If you're asking the questions, should I be buying organic prunes or an organic olive oil? Of course, that is ideal. But again, not everyone can do that. Not everyone can invest in organic. So just go out and buy the dried prunes and just go out and buy just whatever olive oil you have. Remember, it's just like eating a bag of chips and having those munchies, but then creating your own chips in your oven, still high in calories, but still the better option. So you creating something like this, as much as organic is ideal, it's not going to be necessary because this is still going to serve you well. All right, so 15 minutes is up, and I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to start mashing. I might actually transfer this over to my bowl, and I'm sorry that you can't see this, but I'm going to show you every step of the way. Okay, so I've just transferred it to my bowl, and I'm going to start mashing the prunes in the bowl. All right, so you're going to get this jam-like texture, okay? And you can just keep mashing it up. If you have a masher, that's great. You're probably going to ask, can I put this in a food processor? And because it's only 4, it may be difficult. It's going to stick to the side, so you're better off just doing it manually. And once it's done, you're going to store this in your fridge. And so what you're going to do is every evening, you're going to take about half a teaspoon's worth of this. So you're going to eat that. And then you're going to chase it with some warm water just to help get it down. And this you're going to keep in your fridge for about 3 to 4 days. After that, you don't want to be ingesting something that's been in the fridge for too long. You can just make a new batch, really easy to make, as you can see. And there you have it. And if you do this every evening, you're going to eventually see that your stool is going to soften and that the motility is going to quicken and be more consistent for you. But again, it's natural. You need to do natural things regularly. You need to be consistent with it. And that's it. A simple, natural remedy to help relieve constipation. So if you found this video helpful, my friends, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips and DIY remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.